Hi, in this video, I'm going to set up single sign-on with CyberArk EPM. First, I'm going to Administration, click on SAML Integration. Now, I've already previously set it up in a previous example, but I'm going to do it from scratch. So I'm going to set up some new URLs. So in the Adaptive Admin portal, we're going to click on Add Web Apps, Custom, select SAML, and then close. Of course, we're going to change this to CyberArk EPM. And go ahead and change the logo. And let's go ahead and set up the SAML configurations. All right, so first we're going to make a copy of this URL and paste it right here into the IDP issuer URL, and then single sign-on, and replace this with the new single sign-on URL. I'm going to replace that with the single logout URL. Okay, and then you can make sure you're copying the right one. So it says, as you see here, it says app login. So login and log out right here, right, matches logout. So just in case you accidentally copied the same URL. So sometimes you might wonder, is this the same URL? So you can verify by looking inside the URL for the word app logout or app login. Okay. I went ahead and typed in a organization name. I selected all users. And then for the logout, okay, so I'm going to replace that logout URL. For the certificate, I went ahead and downloaded this file. Download into a .sir format. So we're going to have to convert that SIR file into a dir format encoding. Okay, so to convert the CER to .der, type in, I'm going to do a open SSL command, X509 format. The file that I'm going to take will be the SIR file that we downloaded from the Adaptive Admin portal. Right, we're going to encode it as DER and output okay, so as we see, a new file got created, and we're going to select that new file and save. Go back to the admin portal, and actually let's go ahead and download the XML file. Now we could manually type in these URLs into Adaptive, or we could just upload the metadata file that we just downloaded. Save. And when we choose manual configuration, that we see that these fields did get automatically populated from the XML file that we uploaded. Let's go ahead and assign this to the users and groups that we want to give this to. I'm just going to assign it to everybody. And the account mapping, so we're going to be using the email field instead of user principal name for account mapping, and then save. So now I see CyberArk EPM in the user portal. Let's click on that. And voila, we logged in with single sign-on.